Finally, na-try na rin natin ang best pizzeria in the Philippines. This is Crosta in Makati. Maliit lang yung store nila pero sinuwerte na may seats pa pagdating namin. Nag-advance order na kami kaya serve na rin agad. Na-curious lang ako to try their cheapest item, the classic margarita. Grabe yung crunch sa crust, tapos when you bite into it, nandun yung balance of sweet and tart flavors from the tomato sauce, mozzarella, and basil. Pizza at its purest form. For me, pinakabagay dito yung chili oil pero meron din silang fermented chili sauce and chili flakes. Then, syempre, the famous Morty and Ella 2.0. Ang generous slices of pistachio mortadella na medyo salty, may konting spice, and has a silky mouthfeel. May black truffle bechamel that adds a creamy and earthy flavor. Fresh and light cheeses like mozzarella and stracciatella, pistachio bits, and parsley. Ang unique ng flavor na to, actually para na siyang Italian sandwich for me sa dami ng toppings. Tapos sourdough pa yung gamit nila. Nakakabusog at uulit. Yun lang po,